Learning a new skill is always difficult at the beginning. But it's going to be easier by the time if you follow the right advices. The same as with learning a new language like English, so here are some of the successful tricks and advice to help you. 1. Work on the 4 skills. Which are the basic skills of any language? Listening. You can listen to music. Reading. You can read children books. Writing. You can summarize what you read. Speaking. Here, if you didn't find a partner to practice with him, you can look at the mirror and speak with yourself. 2. Surround yourself with English. Like putting a note on your room door. You can write "Notice quiet please." Or putting a stick in which you nominate your staff in English like a book, cup, pants. 3. Build your vocabulary. You can choose 2 words every day and keep repeating them yourself. You should know their meaning, how, when, and where they are used. 4. Use the internet. It will help you to be in touch with people around the world. You can use YouTube, chatroom, language application. 5. Motivate yourself. If you related your learning program to your interests, it would be much easier to achieve. For example, if you like sports, you can choose words related to the sport to learn, like team, coach, hall. 6. Think about your strong and weak points. No one is perfect. Each one of us has his strengths and weaknesses. We should work on our weaknesses points and demonstrate our strong points. 7. Ask for help. It would be much better if you found someone whose level is better than you, and asked him for help. 8. Practice. If you want to learn English quickly and correctly, you have to use it whenever you can, because the more you practice, the better and quicker you will learn. You should practice even a little bit every day. 9. Enjoy yourself. We learn more when we have fun. We can use puzzles, crosswords, music. 10. Ask a lot of questions. You shouldn't feel embarrassed if there is anything difficult for you, or you couldn't understand. Ask questions, and a lot of them, because they will help you to understand more. 11. It up. Don't take a break, because your level will be decreased and you should keep it up. 12. Don't be in such hurry to move up your level. Start one by one, from the alphabet until you reach your goals. 13. Don't give up. Stay positive. Maybe sometimes you think that this is not easy as you had thought, so maybe it goes into your mind to give up. Don't. Nothing is easy as we think. You should stay positive. Finally, you are never too young or too old to start learning English. Don't make excuses not to learn. What you are waiting for?